Okay. So all of you remember, as I already defined what is mole concept in the last class. So let us see what is this mole concept and how to calculate the number of particles in the mole concept. So in previous class, I have insisted you that why we need to take this mole concept and in what way we have been compared this mole concept. Am I right, Kavya, Shivani? So to count the large number of like coins and all, how the bank will do. And like same way, if you want to calculate large number of particles, so what is the method we will do it? How we can measure and count the particles present in a matter. So further, to solve that only, so there is a concept. What is the concept? Call it as a Avogadro number, or we can say Avogadro constant. So if I take 1 mole of any substance, doesn't matter. If I take 1 mole of any substance, if I taken, which is equals to how many number of particles, everybody? Please.
6.022 into 10 power
0.022 into 10 power 20
24.
particles. So by this time, this number has to be there in our mind. So that particles means what? 1 mole of any substance. Maybe they are the atoms, or maybe they are the what? Everybody. Or maybe they are the molecules. Do you understand, everybody? So 1 mole of atoms, 1 mole of atoms is equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Or if I take 1 mole of molecule also, it is also contains 6 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Are you all ready, everybody? Do all clear? Understand, Amma? Yes, please. Yeah. So now, this is what we used to call it as a Avogadro number. So most important one. So please remember, everybody. So if you consider, for example, there is a beautiful explanation for this. So Avogadro number is a constant value it is in the physics. So now, this number is large and large and large. Even we cannot count in our practical life. We cannot count in our practical life. For example, if you go out of the atmosphere and if you see this earth as basically, so what is the population of the earth? Anybody can tell? Till today, what is the approximate population of a world? Anybody?
9 billion.
7 billions. Approximately, the human population is at presently is about 7 billions. So means in the sense of approximately 7 into 10 power 9. So this is the population, approximate population of the world. So if I compare it with the Avogadro number, imagine how much small our population is. Of course, 7 into 10 power 9 it is, means almost 7 billion. But still, compared to the 1 mole of particles, it is how much, Amma? Yes, please. Negligible. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Please respond. That is what. So if I compare the Avogadro number, compare it with Avogadro number. Which one? The 7 billion population with Avogadro number. Avogadro number. So imagine how much small it is. That is what? 7 into 10 power 9 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. So remember, all of you, if you have do this everything and will get approximately, I'm saying, please listen, 1 by 10 power 4 will come. So how much times it is smaller? World population, extremely smaller. Am I right or wrong? All of you, please respond. Clear? Not 4, 14. So this much time it is smaller. Approximately it is smaller than that. Okay, guys? You all should respond. What is the use of me? Understand, Abhirami? Sangamitrai? So means in a sense of Avogadro number is such a large value. even the world population is very, 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 very small fraction. So that is what you have to remember it. Is there any doubt you can ask me, or else we'll proceed further. Do you understand, everybody? Yes, please. All of you. So what is Avogadro number? Everyone tell me, what is Avogadro number? 6 point? 6 point. Respond.
022 into 10 power
0.22 into 10 power 23 particles. Okay. Now we are going to study before going to study next concept in the mole. So we need to know the most important thing. That is what? So previous 2-3 days before, you all can notice it. We studied atomic mass. Am I right, everybody? So by the time we studied two things. One is atomic mass and another one is what? And yes, please. Molecular mass. Am I right or wrong? Because molecules are present. That is what it is. So either atomic mass or molecular mass. So now, so of course, by the time you can see they have been kept molecular mass. What is that shortcut? Actually, they have been kept molecular mass, you can see. So RMM, am I right or wrong? Relative molecular mass. So now, this is all about a mole concept. So how many particles are there in the given substance? That is what we introduced this concept, mole concept. So remember, before going to study moles, again same. So mole concept also two things. One is what? Moles of atoms, mole of atoms, and another one is what? Anybody can tell me? Mole of what, guys? Molecules. Clear? So that is what. So of course we'll discuss this. Now first we'll write new concept. All of you write it. Molar mass. I know many of you are hearing the first time. So what is the name of this one? Kavya, Shivani, molar mass. Sir, what do you mean by molar mass? It's extremely small and simple. Just you can take, all of you, making the atomic mass into grams. That is what we used to call it as a molar mass. So nothing else is there. Exactly, we will convert the molecular mass into molar mass by replacing the U with the G. That's all. Their atomic mass unit here, that I think G, it is grams. What is that molar mass means? Writing the AMU or U into the grams. So that is what we used to call it as a molar mass. So I hope you all understanding. Anybody doubt, you can ask me. So for example, remember.
Sir, you mean atomic mass?
Yes, atomic mass, just I will replace with the grams, G Mari. That's all it is, call it as a molar mass. Purima? You
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yes. So why it is, sir? It is very important. That's why. So this is only we can say GMM. So what is the GMM means? Anybody can tell? If it is
Gram
yeah, gram molecular
mass,
Gram.
molecular
gram
mass.
molecular mass. Note it, everyone. Gram molecular mass. I hope you all understanding. Everybody clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just in place of AMU or U, you are writing what, Amma? You are writing what? Grams.
GM.
Yeah, G, grams. That's all it is. It is only call it as a gram molecular mass. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. I'll explain. Okay, guys. Yes, please. So gram molecular mass, also call it as, what is to called? Everyone.
Molar mass.
Molar mass. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me till here. Okay, everyone. Sangamitrai, Darshan, Gokul, no response at all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it. Danishka, Mr. Silesh, today only joining. Prithvi, okay, Prithvi. Okay, so now for example, so let me see, what is the molecular mass of ammonia? Everyone you have to tell me. Girls, boys, let me see. Molecular mass of ammonia. We already practiced. Yes, please. So check it. What is the formula?
17.
Molecular mass they are asking, not molar mass. What is the formula? What is the formula? Number of atoms of first element into
Plus
atomic mass of
into
first atomic
first
mass of
element.
first element plus unless you are saying you are doing, there is no progress in your life. Next, number of atoms of second element 3. Atomic mass of second element is 1, which is equals to 14 plus 3. So which is equals to how much, Ra? Yes, please.
17.
17 U. But this is what? Molecular mass. This is the molecular mass. But we want what, everybody? Yes, please. We want what? Molar mass, or we can say gram molecular mass. Are you clear, everyone?
Sir,
So,
one doubt, sir.
yes.
Molecular mass is actually known as RAM only, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Gram, that atomic mass only, if it is a molecule, molecular mass, Mari. So now this molecular mass AMU, I am replacing with the grams. That is what 17 grams. Over. Are you clear? So 17 grams is the gram molecular mass of what is this? Ammonia. That's all. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt, anybody can ask. So just U is turned up into grams. That's all it is. Okay, guys? Yes? Please respond. So now, okay. So now, what do you mean by 17 AMU or 17U? What is this? Anybody can tell? It is a what? Mass of one atom or mass of bulk? Anybody? Mass of one ammonium atom. Ammonium molecule, it is not even atom. Okay. Next, if I convert into grams, 17 grams. So if you observe very carefully here, mass of 1 mole of ammonium molecules is this one. So this is also 17 grams. So what else this one, everybody? Mass of 1 mole means in the sense of 6.022 into 10 power. Yes, please respond. 10 power 23. So mass of 1 mole of ammonia molecules. Okay, Ra? Everybody? Do you understand, Amma? Yes, please respond. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
also call it as a what? Gram molecular mass. Also we can call it as a what? Molar mass. Ellame okay?
Mass.
Yes. Just writing the AMU into G. That's all it is all about it. I hope you all understand. Anybody having doubt, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed further. Shall we proceed further now, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
first, mole of atoms. All of you keep reading. Mole of atoms. Mole of atoms. So can you give the atoms, anybody? What is the example of mole of atoms? So if I take 1 mole of any substance, which is equals to how many number of particles? Everybody? Which is equals to how many number of particles? All of you. Avogadro number of particles.
6.022
Yes.
into 10 power.
That is called it as a Avogadro number. You should use that name only. Okay, wa? Yes?
sir.
Yeah. So now, mole of atoms. So let us see. That is very, very important. So if you notice it, for example, sulfur mass. So sulfur is the polyatomic ion. That's fine. So sulfur, we all knows that. It is, you can see, what is the atomic mass of sulfur? Anybody? AMU of sulfur. Any one of you? What is that gas? Sulfur. Atomic mass is 32U. Am I right? Will you all agree with me? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, what is the molar mass of sulfur? This is the AMU. What is the molar mass? Molar mass of sulfur. Make it quick, all of you. What is the molar mass of sulfur?
32 grams.
32 grams. That's all, right? Where nothing else. Molar mass, also we can call it as a what? Molar mass, also we can call it as a, yes? GMM. That is what we used to say gram molecular mass. Am I understood? Everybody? Clear? Yes? Understand now? So, if I take 32 grams, now beautifully I'll say, listen. 32 grams of
So, one doubt,
sulfur.
sir.
Yes, Mari. Listen, 1 minute, Mari.
But,
1 minute, just to listen. So 32 grams of sulfur is equals to, I can say, 1 mole, which is equals to 6.022 into 10 power 15. Sorry, 10 power 23 atoms. So now you tell me, what else? What is your doubt?
sir, how did you find that sulfur is equal to 32 U, sir?
32 sulfur atomic mass is how much?
Sir, 8, sir.
Hey, sulfur, yes. Atomic mass. What is atomic number of sulfur, Amma?
32.
Race, atomic number.
32.
Again, atomic number means you say that. What is atomic number, Amma? Atomic number means
16,
Z.
sir. 16.
Atomic mass is, yes. 16 sulfur. And what is atomic mass? Check it.
32.
Mass 32, sir.
That's all I'm saying. So, atomic mass is 32. That is what equals to it has been taken molar mass. Do you understand? Yes? Girls, boys, everybody? So,
Yes,
if I
sir.
collect 32 grams of sulfur, which contains how many particles? Anybody can tell? Most important statement. 32 grams of sulfur. How many moles?
0.022 into 20.
No,
10
how many
power 23.
moles? Moles I'm asking. How many moles?
1 mole.
1 mole, which is equals to what? 6.022 into 23 particles. Okay. Or else, let me take one more. Oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule. So we all knows that. What is oxygen molecule, everybody? O2. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Yes, please. So what is the AMU of O2? Anybody can tell? What is the AMU of O2? AMU, atomic mass of O2, number of atoms are 2, atomic mass is 16, which is equals to how much? Everybody?
32.
Yeah, 32U. Okay. Now I want it organic. So you can see that just if I make it into number of particles, so I'll modify it. Oxygen molecule, I want how many? How many particles? I will call it as a 1 mole. So if I say 1 mole of oxygen particles, note it, they contains how many grams? Everybody. How many grams they contains? Everybody. 32U, make it into 32 grams. That is what we can say GMM. So what is the full form of GM? Gram
Molecular.
mass. That's all it is. I hope you all understanding. So which is now? See, before I have taken 32 grams. Here 32 was, sorry, oxygen how much, Ra? Yeah, here also oxygen molecules, correct? Okay, correct only. Oxygen molecules. So if I take 32 grams of oxygen molecule, can you tell me how many particles it will be there? Avogadro number of particles. That is what 6.022 into 10 power 23. And you can see, what is that, everybody? 32 grams of oxygen equals to how much particles? Anybody? Yes, please. Which is equals to Avogadro number. That's all. So, if you notice it, Avogadro number means any substance, either it is an atom or a molecule or a compound, doesn't matter. If you take the molar mass or gram molecular mass of that particular compound, which is equals to the mole, 1 mole. That is what you have to remember. I hope you all clear. Everybody, please respond, all of you. So now, for example, mole of a molecule will take. Mole of a molecule will take. What is the molecule you want? Can I take carbon dioxide? Is it okay, familiar for you? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Please respond. So, what is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide? Again,
44
I'm
U. 44 U.
molecular mass of CO2. How much? Number of atoms are first 1,
44
carbon
44
14 plus oxygen 2 into 16. So which is equals to 14 plus 32, which equals how much, Ra? Yes, please.
44.
44U. Okay, wa? 44U. So here I have done mistake here. Carbon, it is a 12. So 12 into 1, 12. 12 plus 32. How much am I? 44U. Am I right? So can you tell me what is the GMM of CO2?
44 grams.
What is the CMM? GMM of CO2? Gram molecular mass. Everybody. 44.
Gram.
44 grams. That's all. Now, if I take 44 grams of CO2, which contains how many particles? Anybody? If I take 44 grams of CO2, which contains how many particles? Everyone?
Point.
Avogadro number 6.0
6.0.
into 10 power 3, which is equals how many moles? Agalya? 1 mole.
One more.
I hope now you understand, you are catching my point. Am I right, everybody? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So from this, I will write two statements. So most important one, remember, 1 mole of molecule of a substance. 1 mole of molecules of a substance. Molecules of a substance. 1 mole of molecules of a substance is equals to gram molecular mass of the substance. Is it okay, wa? Clear, everybody? Just converting 1 mole of substance equals to gram molecular mass. Okay, gram molecular mass of the substance. Next.
Then mole of atoms.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Next. 1 mole of atoms also same, Mari. 1 mole of atoms of a substance. Next is that only. 1 mole of atoms of an. Atoms will come for what? Elements or compounds are? Elements, which is also equals to, understanding? Gram atomic mass of the element. Okay, wa? Do you all understand, everyone? I want the response. I hope you all clear. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Okay, wa, Lingesh? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it, everybody. Most
The
important
atomic
statement.
mass means the same gram molecular mass, sir.
Yes, just if you write the atomic mass in the grams, that is what we used to call it as a gram molecular mass. Okay, wa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Nivedan, understand, Nivedan?
Yes, sir.
Prithvi? Agalya? Niroshi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, can you tell me what is the molecular mass of hydrogen gas? I want hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. It is a what actually? H2. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hydrogen gas. Now, can you tell me what is the AMU? Atomic mass of hydrogen gas. Make it fast. Atomic mass of hydrogen gas. Number of atoms
2U.
of 2 into 1, which is equals to 2U. Very good. Now, you listen. Everybody, if I take 2U into 2 grams, what is GMM grams? If I take 2 grams of hydrogen gas, now tell me how many particles are there in that gas? Anybody? How many particles are there? 2 grams of H2 gas if I have taken. So how many particles, everybody? This 2 grams of H2. Yes, respond. Which is equals how many particles? 2 grams of
6.
hydrogen also contains Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, wa? Yes, respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
is. So now, if I take 2 grams of H2 also Avogadro number, which is equals to how many moles? How many moles? 1 mole.
1 more.
Now, if
One
I
more.
take oxygen over nitrogen, let me take. So what is the nitrogen gas? Nitrogen gas, N2 gas. So 2 into 14, which is equals how many? Yes, please.
28.
28. So if I take, Mari, listen, 1 mole of 1 mole is equals to 28 grams of what I said, this one, N2. Understanding? 28 grams of N2 gas is equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. I hope you all understand now what is the concept of mole. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask. Are you clear, everybody? Yes,
sir.
please. Any doubt? Agalya, Gokul Raj, Hasani Sudhakar, any doubt, please let me know. Understood? Yes? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
now there is a two ways of calculating the mole concept. That is what? Calculation of number of moles. Method number A. Do it fastly, everybody. Calculation of number of moles. Calculations of number of moles. Okay? Number of moles. So what is the formula? Listen, everybody. So number of moles will represent with a small m. Okay, everyone? Clear? Next, given mass will represent with a small m. And next one, molar mass. Molar mass also we can call it as a what? Molar mass will represent with a capital M. Learn these notations, everybody. Number of moles, small n. Given mass is small m. And molar mass. Molar mass also we can call it as a what? Molar mass also call it as. Yes, please.
Yeah.
Molar
Capital.
mass also call it as a. All of you?
Capital.
Capital M. Why? What is the molar mass? That's why I'm asking. What is the molar mass? That is my question.
GM.
Gram molecular mass. That is what it is needed. Gram molecular mass. Okay. That is what we used to say molar mass. Then you can do that. So what will happen, everybody? This is what is about it. So the formula for calculating N. Okay. Then what is the formula? You know, everybody? Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Okay, understood? So number of moles is N, given mass is M, small m, capital M,
This
given
how
mass.
can we find mole concept, sir?
What, Mari?
With this, how can we find the mole concept, sir?
If you want, that's what, if you want to find number of moles, you have to divide the given mass divided by molar mass, so that you will get the how many number of moles is present in the given substance. Okay,
Yes.
that's all. So what is the first formula, everybody? Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by
Molar mass.
by
Molar mass.
Okay, that is what. Next, B part, very, very important. Calculation of mass if a number of particles is given. Practice by practice it will come. Particles is given. So here instead of mass, before question, what is given, everybody? Can you tell me? Yes, please. Here what is given? Mass is given. Given mass is given. And now it is divided by with the molar mass or molecular mass. You will get the number of moles. So now, if given particles is given, so then what is the formula? Very, very important. Pakranga. So if particles is given, write it. Given particles will represent with the NO or N naught. All of you read it. NO or N naught. Sorry, just small change. So given particles, you take it as a N. Okay, girls, boys, understand, Amma? And
Yes, sir.
our Avogadro number, we all knows that. What is Avogadro number? Avogadro number.
6.0.
Yes, N naught, which is equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. So that is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody? Understood? Yes or no? So given particles.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula based upon this? Yes. So n is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So that's all it is. Okay. Given particles which is equals to, okay, so n actually number of moles is equals to n divided by n naught. Any problem for anybody? You can ask me. I hope you all understanding. Anybody doubt? You can ask me. Okay, guys. Yes, all of you.
Yes,
So
sir.
now two formulas for mole concept. What is the two formulas for mole concept? Anybody can tell? What is the two
Both are
formulas for
to
mole?
find the same value number
n
of
is equals to
moles.
given mass divided by molar mass. Next, another formula, n is equals to given number of particles
mass
divided by
number.
given number of particles divided by what number?
Avogadro number.
Avogadro number. Given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. This is what is the two formulas for mole concept. Anybody not understand? I want response. Are you clear or not? All of you? Yes, Sailesh, Sanjay, Jay Krishna, understanding or not? Mr. Sam, Pranav, that is what it is. Okay. So now, all of you observe very carefully. These two, I will write equation number 1 and equation number 2. See that both LHS is equal. So means RHS also equal. Will you all agree with me or not? I want it.
Yes, sir.
Respond, Ra. So,
Sir.
small m
Yes, sir.
divided by capital M is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Now, very, very important concept. If you want to find the amount of mass, clear? So, what will happen, everybody? I will give you, Shivani, I will give you examples. So, amount of mass is equal, given mass is equals to n divided by n naught. This m will come this side, which will become, that is what, capital M. So, this is what is the formula according to the heading. What is the heading? Calculation of mass if number of a particles is given. That is what you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. I hope you all understanding. I will give you the examples also. No need to worry. Just I am saying you, this is what you have to remember. And always keep it in mind, n naught, Avogadro number. What is the Avogadro number? Avogadro number.
0.022
Yeah.
into 10 power 23.
6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay. Yes. Gokul, what is your doubt, Gokul? Exactly ask me. Two formulas for mole concept. One is given mass is given and otherwise number of particles is given. So that's all it is. So number of particles is given, Mr. Gokul. You can write the formula. So what is the formula we can write? Number of particles is given. Everybody. Given particles divided by Avogadro number. That is what is the condition. Anybody having any doubt till here, you can ask me. I hope you all understanding. Anyone, please respond. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not? Yes, Kalyan?
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yeah.
I am saying you, remember all of you. 1 mole of any substance, note it. 1 mole of any substance, all of you, I am expecting, make it everybody, which is equals to Avogadro.
Avogadro.
That's all. So what is Avogadro number? Avogadro number.
6.0.
Yes. 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, wa? Clear? All of you?
Yes.
Yes. Which is also equals to, okay, molecular mass, write it, GMM of a given substance. Of a given substance. That is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody? I hope now you understand. Shivani, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now for example, I'll give you. Given particles is, write it everyone. Given number of particles is 3.011 into 10 power 24. Okay. And Calculate number of moles. That's all is the question. Given particles is 3.011 into 10 power 24. Now n is equals to how much? That's all. So what is the given formula? Number of particles. So number of particles means we all knows that. What will happen? Anybody? Number of particles is given. First formula or second formula? Yes, please.
Second formula, sir.
Second formula. So n is equals to
Second
given
formula.
number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Over. What is Avogadro number? Ellame theriyum. Tell me 6.022 into 10 power 23 over. So 3.011 into 10 power 23 divided by, so what else? 6.022 into 10 power 24. Okay, wow. You understood or not? I want it. 10 power 23 only, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, 10 power 23 and here it is 10 power 24. So now you can notice it. So what will happen, everyone? 10 power 24 and 23 will get cancelled. Here 1 is remaining. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. 1s are, 2s are. Over. So what is the answer? Anybody can tell? All of you? Actually, so 1 by 2 into this will be like 10. So which is equals to how many moles? Anyone? How many moles?
5 moles.
5 moles. Okay, well, Mari, Shivani, understand Shivani? When particles is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Any doubt you can ask me. Now can you calculate what is the amount of mass is given? I said only particles is given.